Hi, how are you? Welcome to RFID Limited. Nice to meet you. My name is John and I'm your direct boss. Yesterday I was told you were coming today. I will explain you a little bit how our company works. We all have been new in a company and we know it's not easy. But don't worry, because I'm here to help you. As you may already know, we produce RFID attendance system, and for that purpose, we have to buy raw materials to our vendors and we have to produce intermediate products. I think you already know a little bit the bill of materials of the RFID attendance system, but let's see where you can check this in our ForgeFlow software. Let's go to Inventory, Master Data, Products. Here we can check all the products of the company, but we have to keep in mind that the only one we sell is the RFID attendance system. We can go inside and check its bill of materials. The RFID attendance system is composed by a housing and an electronic assembly. The housing is a product purchased from our vendors, and the electronic assembly, we can go inside to check that it's composed by 2 buttons, 1 LED screen, 1 PCB board, and 1 RFID wire set. All these products are also purchased from our vendors. Okay, how is it going? Don't worry because I have already introduced all this information into the software, so you don't need to do anything. Actually, it was only a short introduction for a better understanding of our company working system. So, let's go back to the menu. Now let's start with all the things you will need to do in the company. The most important thing for us is our clients to be happy with their products on time. So, let's go to the delivery orders. Inventory, delivery orders. And here we can see the delivery order for today. We have on demand 91 units of RFID attendance system. We have to check the availability. We can see it's reserved and then validate the shipment. Apply. And it's already done. Well, we have already finished today's delivery orders. Now let's check the stock buffers to know which are the products we need to procure today. We go to Inventory, Master Data, Stock Buffers. Here we have two different situations. These 3 products have their net flow position in green, so it's not necessary to run a procurement for them. Otherwise, these other 3 products have their net flow position in yellow. That means we have to run a procurement to reset the net flow position to the top of green. We select the 3 products, go to Action, Request Procurement, and we execute. We can see that these 3 products are purchased from our vendors. So this procurement has created 3 requests for quotation in our purchase application. So we must go there and confirm it. Purchase. Here we can see the 3 requests for quotation. We have to go inside and confirm the order. The same for the second one, and the same for the last one. This action has created 3 receipts in our inventory. We can go there and check that the first one is scheduled on January 6th. The other 2 are scheduled on January 8th. Today is the first day of January, so for now we don't need to do anything. Another thing we have to do today is to create the invoice of the delivery order that we have done before. We go to Sales, to Invoice, Orders to Invoice, and we click on it. We can create the invoice and then post it. Now it's already posted. When we know the customer has already paid us, we are allowed to register the payment. So we validate all the numbers are fine and we validate it. Now we can go to the invoicing application, MIS reports, and see that the invoice is already paid appears in our profit and loss report. Let's go back to the menu. Great! It seems we have finished all the actions needed for today. See you tomorrow and we will continue with your learning. Good morning and welcome to your second day in RFID Limited. Are you ready to continue? Great! Let's start with the delivery orders of today. We go to the inventory, delivery orders, we click on it, we check the availability, and we validate it. We can see we don't have any procurement for today. So we can go to the stock buffers. Oh, it seems today is the dreamed day for the planner, as we don't have to do any procurement because all the products are in grid. So let's go back to the menu. Let's invoice the delivery order. We go to sales, to invoice, orders to invoice, we click on it, we create the invoice, we post it, and then we are able to register the payment. We validate it, and it's already paid. Seems that today we didn't have a lot of work to do, so we can finish here. I will let you know when there are new actions for you to learn. See you then! Hi, how are you? Nice to see you again. Today is January 4th and a new action needs to be done. We have to run a procurement of the RFID attendance system because it's in the yellow zone. We select it, go to action, request procurement, and we execute it. As you can see, this is not a purchase item. In this case, the product is manufactured, so the procurement has created a manufacturing order. We can see it in inventory, manufacturing, and clicking on it. As you can see here, the manufacturing order is not scheduled for today. It's scheduled for the 7th, so it's not necessary to start producing now. It seems that for today we don't have to see anything new, so I will continue in my own with the things we have already done on other days, and I will let you know when there is new information for you. See you there! Hi, how are you doing? Today is January 6th and it means you will do your first receipt. So let's go to inventory, receipts, we order by date, and we click on the one is scheduled on the 6th. We go there and we validate it. Now we can go to the purchase application, we choose the receipt, and we can create the bill. We post it, and we are able to register the payment. Good. As you can see, they are very simple actions, so you don't have to worry at all. See you tomorrow to learn how to do the manufacturing order. Bye. Good morning. Come on, you almost know everything. There is just only one more action to learn. Let's do the manufacturing order. Go to inventory, manufacturing, we click on it, and now we are able to check the availability. And we can start producing. We save. As you can see here, the scheduled day to finish the production is January 10th, because we need 3 days for producing these items. So for now, you don't have to mark it as done until 10th January. Perfect. Seems all our actions have come to an end. From now on, I let you in charge of the company. I strongly believe that you will do it great. It was a pleasure to guide you in this process. See you soon!